I'm Chris, and this is Anne Fattor. We're from Golden, Colorado, Winter Park, Golden area. So, do you say that's correct?
I would have said Blackhawk, but you know.
We're from Blackhawk. We have a 2022 Revel Winnebago van that we're brought into Agile. We drove from Colorado just to have a rip kit put on because we know how much it's going to do for our vehicle, and we do a lot of off-road driving and four-wheeling, and so we're excited to add it to our thing. And we're also going to put in on our air kit for airing up our tires and other things. I'm actually thinking about using it to blow out the vehicle, the dirt from inside, but I'm not sure how that's going to go over.
The impetus for buying the van, just because I was always like, I want something where I can travel around, and then if you go, I need to go to the grocery store, I need to, you want to stop and not spend the night in a van, you want us to be in a hotel or something. You don't have this huge rig that you're trying to get around. So that was a little bit of it. Plus, we decided that we had to have the inside done out because otherwise I'd turn into a picker. So, so that's how we ended up with the Revel is because it's pretty much already done inside, and we can make a lot of decisions.
So the van life made total sense to me, and we ski a lot. We're hoping to use it to do that and some other activities. We're really excited about the opportunities, plus see America and do the things that people do when they get old.
I would say also the nice thing now is, like even our drive out here, we didn't stay on the highways. We took some of the back roads and some really back road stuff coming out of Colorado, and then of course we didn't stay on the main roads even all the way here. So it's just nice to get off the beaten path and have a vehicle that can handle it. Plus, it was really fun to drive, like coming on this, what is that, Owl Creek? I don't know, but it's really windy little road, and it just handled so well.
Is that out of Jerome?
Yeah.
The one over?
Yeah, going up through Jerome, Arizona and stuff. And so it's just nice to get back into some country you might not always see.
There's so many times you're driving down the road in Colorado or any other state, but that's our state, so we just see so many roads that we think someday we're going to drive up that road. And most of the time they're dirt, you don't want to get your car dirty and that kind of stuff, but it's just exciting to see. What's amazing is to find out how much of our own state we've never seen before, and we're both natives, and it's just cool, and it's really makes for a great weekend or longer period of time if we so choose. Do a lot of fly fishing in the backcountry, and it's just fun to get along a stream and just open up the back and just relax. It's nothing else really. I can't see being in an RV KOA or something like that. It's just totally different.
Well, I would say that just getting used to how the whole van works. Between the batteries and all that stuff was kind of a challenge, because we get one place and we're like, okay, we're going to stay right here, and we realize our batteries were dead. So we kind of had to shift gears and go, okay, we're gonna have to go find a campground or something that has a power, some onshore hookup, because we didn't realize that we weren't charging as we were going down the road. So it's learning those little things and how they work and how it all works together. It's a little challenging at first.
Well, what's interesting is when we bought we had never owned a motorhome or anything like that, so she's right. A lot of this stuff, when they go through your introduction stuff, it's kind of like going right over the top. You have no clue what they're talking about. And then to try to establish it and reading through all the books, and because something's not going right. Well, it turned out after a year and calling them several times that the cable to the dedicated alternator was never established. So, and it took me a while to figure that out, because I thought it was me. I thought, this thing isn't charging, what's wrong with it? So finally realized they never even hooked the two up, and it was so we had to take it back, and they actually fixed it. So now it works, and we're so excited because we actually it's
you look
great.
back there and see the blue lights flashing, and you're like,
we're always checking our batteries out, and you know, so it's interesting early on. I'm sure a lot of these things we'll get over and get on to more exciting things, but it's been a bit of an adventure.
It can be challenging.
That dog or our dog? A dog or our dog?
We have a 2-year-old Weimaraner, and he's full of energy, and it's, you know, most of the time it's really good. I mean, especially if you're consistently on the road. I mean, he's fine, but if you stop, he thinks he's got to get out. He thinks he's got, and he wants to sit in your chair, and he gets a little, yeah, sometimes it's challenging. Then he does sleep on the bed, and that bed's nice, really nice for 2 people. 2 people and a big dog is a little bit questionable at times, but we're getting that ironed out too, so. It takes a while to figure out where everybody fits inside of a van.
It's a little strange. I mean, you know, you realize you're going to have to downscale everything that you do. A little bit more than what you put in a car, but maybe not to travel. So, you know, it's been an adjustment, but it's been kind of fun to realize what you can live without. It's really exciting to, you know, just the moments that you take just to appreciate where you are and where it allows you to go. And, you know, when you're not driving like crazy to get somewhere, when you really sit back and relax, it's like, it's just hard to beat. Yeah.
There's sometimes when you get by a mountain stream or something, and you finally get that laid back here where it's okay to pick up a book and sit outside and, you know, watch the stream go, listen to it and all that. It's just nice to finally go, can't do anything else, so this is it, this is where we are, and it's nice.
Yeah.
Hi folks, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. We'll be sending out videos every week, and we'll see you next week.